So we all know that clean energy is absolutely going to take off in 2021, and it's not just going to stop there. This is going to be a long-term investment, and we're going to see a lot of gains in this industry. Now, in this video, we're going to talk about a penny stock that not a lot of people are talking about right now, and maybe they think it's because it's already 10x'd over the last year and the gains are done, right? Well, I absolutely don't think so. I think this stock has plenty of upside potential left in it, and if you're not exactly sure which one I'm talking about, stay tuned for the rest of the video, and let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. I'm here to make 2021 the best year ever. We're going to grow our portfolios together, and we're just going to grow together. Now, if you liked content on this channel, please don't forget to click that like button, and if the subscribe button is still red, do me a favor, click that subscribe button, join the channel, and become a bro. So in this video, we're going to be talking about OPTT, Ocean Power Technologies, Inc. What do they do? What's the stock price looking like? And can we make money on this company? Well, OPTT, or Ocean Power Technologies, Inc., has a proprietary way of transforming the waves in the ocean into usable energy. Now, I know that clean and sustainable energy is really going to take off, and it's going to see a lot of investment in the near future. So this could be a big play that not a lot of people are talking about. And it's a very exciting play too, because we know that the waves in the ocean never stop, right? So it's always going to be there, and we're always going to be able to create energy from this source. Now, with that being said, let's take a little look at the stock price, where it's been, where it's at, and where it can go. So this stock has been around for quite some time now, and I believe it IPO'd somewhere in the $20 to $30 range, and it shot up back in 2016 and did very well. Now, since then, it's been coming down, and it bottomed around 20 cents per share, and for the last year, it's done nothing but rise. So we've gone from 20 cents per share all the way up to about $2.80 per share. So what is it looking like for the future? Now, if you already have OPTT in your portfolio, let us know how you've done in the comments down below. I always love to hear stories about people making money in the stock market, and you really inspire the rest of us to keep investing and to do better for ourselves. Now, it's around $2.80 per share right now. The upside is there. There is going to be a little bit of resistance around the $3 to $3.50 range. So if we see this stock rise, maybe in the week ahead or the couple weeks ahead, we could see some headwinds in the $3 range. Now, it's okay if we see a little pullback there, especially if we get in around the $2.80 mark. That's 20 cents on a $2.80 stock. That's still some excellent gains, right? Well, if we break above the $3 and $4 mark, the sky is the limit. There's not going to be resistance for quite some time. I mean, we're talking we could see $20, $30 per share in this stock. So this is excellent news if you're trading on technical patterns, right? Well, if you're trading for this stock on its fundamentals, let's talk a little bit about their revenue. They've taken this company in, I believe, 2018 from around $500,000 a year revenue, and they're currently doing around $1.5 million a year in revenue. So we've seen some great growth just in the last couple years alone. And I love buying stocks that have rising earnings and rising revenue, because we want to see companies that are growing. When you become stagnant, especially in an industry that is new, in an industry that is growing, you want to see that the company as well is growing. So this is good news on their revenue front. Of course, they're not turning a profit. The bottom line is still negative, but we see that a lot in new and growing industries. So with that being said, if we get in on this stock, do we want to get in when the stock is falling? Absolutely not. We never want to buy a stock that's falling, because think about it. If the stock is falling, what are we going to be doing as soon as we get in? Losing money. Now, unless we timed it absolutely perfect and it started to bounce higher the moment we get in, we're going to be losing money. So if we want to buy the stock, we want to see it rising, because we would have to be absolutely unlucky to buy a rising stock and then time it at the exact top, right? So we want to see the stock rising when we get into it. That way, yes, maybe you miss out on a few cents or a few percent, but when you get into the stock and it's rising and it continues to rise, you're going to be making money right off the bat. Now, should we hold it till $20, $30 per share? That's completely up to you. If you're a long-term investor, you're not going to have any problem doing that. If you're a swing trader, get in, take your profits, get out, and move on to the next trade. Now, if you like the content on this channel, please, guys, don't forget to click that like button. If the subscribe button is still red, you got one more shot. Click the subscribe button, join the channel, become a bro, and let's grow together. So until the next time, I hope that all of you guys have an awesome day.